In ProjoMania, we have the need to enable the portal users to have the ability to create tasks in portal. So we have created this module, and here in this video I'm going to demonstrate what are the features in this module. And actually it's really simple. So assuming that we have this customer here, ProjoMania, and ProjoMania have a new project for database migration. Okay, so we need to grant portal access for this contact. Of course, you can add here the text you need to be included in the email. And now we should have in the users, we should have 4 users now. One of them is ProjoMania with the email, and here is the link. This should be sent by email to the end user, but I will copy the link address and I will start incognito mode. For simplicity, I will make the password admin. Okay, as you can see, by default, my account, or you will be redirected to projects. It's the same as clicking on your account and getting the projects. Okay, now the projects from scratch, it contains or include only or 0 tasks, but you need to enable your customer to be able to add new tasks. For example, I have an issue number 1, and here is the details. Once sent, you will be redirected back to the list of issues, where you can click here and find the normal, or let's say the regular view of tasks. And again, you can have this either by the tasks view, as we just did, or you can find it in the project view, where you can click on add tasks, and let's make it task number X, and also more details will be here. Just by sending it, okay, it will be created also in the backend. And keep in mind that we are logged in as ProjoMania. If you move back to the project, here we need to refresh to find more tasks, or just click on 0 tasks to find the new tasks created by the end user. And here is create UID, or the creator is ProjoMania, and the details will be there. And of course, you can proceed with adding messages, moving the stages, define deadline, and so on for your customer. Hopefully this helps you to offer a better service and more professional service, and make yourself transparent with your customers. Thanks.